Okay, so we're coming to you live from the Shongweni Market, and I'm here with
Richard.
Richard. The question of today is, what's the one thing that you love particularly about Shongweni Market?
Just the family fun atmosphere, because obviously we're here in the kids area. You see the trains, you can see the games, the kids can play, there's food. So it's a really relaxing, wholesome, fun atmosphere for the kids.
The pancakes. I have to say the pancakes.
Is it great?
So good.
I'll take your word for that.
Definitely the pancakes as well, and the vibes.
The scenery, the people, the vibe.
There's just a little bit of everything for everyone, for kids, for adults. You get things from all around the world, and it's pretty cool actually.
The food, definitely. It's amazing.
What food in particular?
The Chinese food here. It's the egg and bacon muffins.
Food is great. Service is excellent.
So the one thing I love about Shongweni Farmers Market is that the zip lines are so fun.
So basically when we come up here, because we're all the way from the south coast, we decide to spend the whole day here. So it's the food, it's the drinks, it's all the different activities, and just the fact that it's really safe.
Well, we're here almost every weekend. It's a very chilled out vibe. We come here just for the music, for the food, and just to relax.
There's everything that you need that we like. Food, clothing, shoes.
Everything.
Yes.
The vibe and the atmosphere.
Awesome.
Totally agree with Bev, but it's also what you can find and buy at Shongweni Market.
You're with Juelz Thomas from Gypsy G.
Awesome. Can you tell us a bit about Gypsy G?
So Gypsy G is actually just a whole concept is free-flowing fashion where, you just want to look good, feel cool, and just enjoy who you are.
What makes Shongweni Farmers Market so special?
I think, the market, I've been here for 15 years and from the inception. What makes it so unique and special is you just don't get the same sort of, we've got such great stall owners, and we've also got such huge choice. I mean, you spoil for choice with food, you spoil for choice with so many different things. It meets from children to mature to, it's for everyone.
Brandon from Uptown Funky Junk.
All right, Brandon, tell us a bit about Uptown Funky Junk.
Well, we do crazy collectibles, anything that people get addicted to that they must have on their shelf or in their house.
Tell me, what makes Shongweni Farmers Market so special?
I look forward every single day of the week for Friday evening so I can go to sleep early and get here at 5 o'clock in the morning, because this is just such a chilled place. I love coming here.
Shongweni Market is special because it is the best market in KZN, if not the country. And because there's an awesome vibe here and it's out in the nature, there's beautiful views, there's a lovely waterfall, awesome food and lots of coffee to drink.
What makes Shongweni Farmers Market so special?
The people, the traders. It's just like one big happy family here. And then customers that just keep coming, repeat customers coming. It's just like the best place in the world.